Hey all, today we're going to see a very healthy muffin recipe. I have one overripe papaya at home. My little one doesn't like the taste of papaya, so my idea is to make her eat papaya as it is a very good fruit. And really, it worked very well. I made in form of muffin. She just enjoyed it. Let's see in detail. Before that, hi everyone, welcome to Lathus Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, leave a like. How to get started with this? Oil and sugar biscuit. Well, the description I'll give it in the measurement I'll give it in the description. You may want to refer. First add in the oil, then followed by the powdered sugar biscuit nicely. Then this is the overripe papaya that I'm talking about. I made a puree, adding that 1/3 cup of it, and then goes flaxseed powder, ground flaxseed powder, a couple of tablespoons. You just take them, coarsely powder it, and then add in 2 tablespoons of that and soak it for 10 minutes. Keep it aside. Curd goes in, 1/3 cup of curd again, for 1 cup of atta that I have used for this papaya muffin recipe. Combine all that well. Generally, if you use any fruit puree, it tends to go dense the cake or a muffin, so it won't get puffed up, you know. But that's okay. End of the day, I want some healthy muffin to be given to my little one. Flaxseed and papaya, we all know it's very good. 1 cup of whole wheat, the dry ingredients, powder, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Save it well and directly add it to the wet ingredient. Mix it well. And to add some more flavor and get some, little sweet taste when you munch in this muffin, I have added some black raisins, which goes in as well. Vanilla essence, of course, half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well, and then add in your blackcurrant grapes, dried grapes. You can as well add the blueberries, cranberries instead blackcurrant. Add the milk little by little and make it into a semi-thick batter. It should not be too thin for muffins. For cupcakes, yes, but not for muffins. Yes, like I said, half a cup of black raisins I am adding here. Gently fold and ensure that your baking tray filled with muffin liners. Then gently take spoonful and fill in your muffin liners. Preheat the oven at 180 for 15 minutes and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degree. Then your very healthy papaya black raisins muffins are ready. Just 2 good healthy muffins. This glass of milk with these muffins will definitely give enough strength for your little one to go and play in the evenings, or even you can make it for their breakfast. You can enjoy these muffins with hot cup of coffee, tea. It goes well, and especially for diabetics, instead of sugar, you can add them jaggery powder. Definitely they can munch in one of those muffins, as papaya is very good. Whole wheat goes in here. I'm sure you're going to give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning into Lathus Kitchen. Looking forward to seeing you back.